Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Simple Meaning, Chapter 3, Karma Yoga, the Yoga of Action, Verse 20. कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि। कर्मणा एव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहम् एव अपि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुम् अर्हसि। जनकादयः कर्मणा एव, जनकादयः, men like Janaka, the king Janaka, karmana eva, by work alone, eva, alone, by work alone, samsiddhim, samyak siddhim, siddhi, perfection. Here this is the highest realization of the self, moksha. Asthitah, attained, he, verily. Lokasangraham, the good of society, welfare of the mankind, welfare of the world. Lokasangraham. Sampashyan, having in view. Kartum arhasi, kartum, to work. Arhasi, you should. Verily, through action alone, Janaka and others attained perfection, even with the view to ensure Lokasangraha, the stability of human society, the welfare of the society, world. You should perform action. Men like Janaka, who was a great king, they all performed action and attained perfection. Samsiddhim means perfection. Perfection means the highest self-realization, the moksha, the highest, the ultimate perfection. Karmanaivahi, by performing actions alone, they achieved this samsiddhi, perfection. So, a king like Janaka will have lot of pressure on them, but through that work itself, they attain to this perfection. Huge temptations will be there, but no disturbance at all in the mind. Through the karma yoga, the detached work as preached by the Lord. So we see in the end of the second chapter the characteristic features of a Sthita Prajna were explained. So just like that is a apuryamanam achala pratishtham samudramapah pravishanti yadvat. The mind is unshakable like a mighty lake, full to the brim, into which many rivers flow without disturbing that lake, without causing a ripple in that lake. So our minds must be like that. Karmana eva samsiddhim asita janakadayah lokasangraham eva api sampashyan kartum arhasi. Even if you have achieved the great wisdom, the perfection, keeping in view the loka sangraha, the welfare of the mankind, welfare of the society, the stability of the human society, you should perform action. Sampashan, keeping in view, kartum arhasi. You should perform action. So even the Jnani, after achieving the highest perfection, if not for himself, he doesn't require anything for himself. So no need for him to work. But to set an example to others, he should work. That's what is being told here. So two points are made here. That is, one, through unattached action, also many have achieved that highest perfection, the self-knowledge. And after achieving the self-knowledge also, you should work for the welfare of others, keeping in view of the welfare of the others. The same preaching has been given to the followers of the Ramakrishna movement by Swami Vivekananda, Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitayacha, for your own salvation. Atmanaha Mokshartham, for one's own salvation, Mukti, Moksha, and Jagat Hitayacha, for the welfare of the world. So both go in hand, both go together, complementary and supplementary to each other. But once, what is the need for action, work, even after attaining perfection? There, here Gita and also Swami Vivekananda says that even if he doesn't work, the one who is already perfect being, if he doesn't work, there is no problem. There is no dosha as such. This is not a defect for him. But for the sake of others, seeing the same self which he has realized within himself, seeing the same self in the whole world, he should continue his actions. And also it will set an example for others. But he will not be in any defect even if he doesn't work or even if he works. But here it is stressed upon. Loka sangraham eva api sampashan kartum arhasi. In the process of attaining the highest perfection, the welfare of the world also takes place. So that helps in the cleansing of the mind, chitta shuddhi, purification of the mind, which in return helps for the attainment of the highest perfection, to see what you are, as you are, your real self. This is a very wonderful shloka, important shloka, which we need to practice in our lives. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.